in its European version is a 2016 American 3D animated film directed by Brian Howard and Rich Moore and produced by Clark Spencer. The release date was 13 in February 2016 at the Brussels Animation Film Festival. For March 2016 in the United States and 17 February 2016 in Indonesia. The director is Brian Howard and Rich Moore. The producer is Clark Spencer. Written by Jared Bush, Phil Johnston. The story by Brian Howard, Rich Moore, Jared Bush, Josie Trinidad, Jim Reardon, Phil Johnson, and Jennifer Lee. The production company is Walt Disney Animation Studios, and here are some characters in the Zootopia movie: Nick Wilde, Judy Hopps, Finnick, Flash, Fisher Clawhazard, Assistant Mayor Bellwether, Yax, Mayor Lionheart, Chief Bogo, Bonnie and Stu Hobbs, Mr. Atherton, and Duke Weselton.
Jadi pada zaman dahulu itu ada sebuah dunia yang besar yang dihuni oleh hewan-hewan yang berevolusi untuk tidak memaksa satu sama lain dan memilih hidup seperti manusia. Mereka berpakaian dan hidup berdampingan layaknya manusia saat ini. Pemeran utamanya adalah seekor kelinci kecil yang bernama Judy Hopps yang disuarai oleh Ginnifer Goodwin. Dia tinggal di kota kecil dan bercita-cita ingin menjadi seorang polisi di kota besar. Walaupun tidak mendapat dukungan dari teman-temannya dan keluarganya, dia menjadi seorang siswa pertama yang lulus di akademi kepolisian dan menjadi siswa lulusan terbaik di kelasnya.
Evolution 2. Judy gets reduced from a folk cub named Gideon Gray and this profile from both parents. They told him that he had never been a rabbit officer before. However, Judy is willing to try against all odds. After a play ends, Judy says Gideon bullying some kids be taking their tickets. Judy confesses Gideon bravely and ends up getting scratches on her face. Even so, Judy manages to get her friends Tisker back. Years later, Judy undergoes training at the Zootopia Police Academy. Judy has a small body size compared to other police candidates and pass difficulties in completing the obstacles given by the drill. Sergeant Booth, through her persistence and intelligence, Judy managed to graduate expedition valedictorian. The graduation ceremony is attended by the mayor of Zootopia, Lionheart, and his assistant named Bellwether. Judy is assigned to versions in the heart of Zootopia.
After graduation, the police academic, he was assigned to downtown Zootopia. Zootopia is a metropolis with residents of various types of animals, from small lions like mice to large animals like giraffes and elephants. On the first day he joined the Zootopia Police Department, he was underestimated by his superior, Chief Bogo, voice of Idris Elba, and was only used as a parking supervisor. At this same time, there is actually a chase going on where 14 mammals have mysteriously disappeared and no other police have been able to solve it.
Evaluation alur. That same day, Judy sees Nick Sonshore wear his elephant costume. Judy approaches to say hello. Then realizes that Nick and his son are melting jumbo ice cream pops from the roof of a building and letting the driving colon in large jar. They then left it a car driven by Nixon. Judy followed them to Tundra Town and sees them making popsicles with liquid juice. They took it to the Savannah district and sold it to hamster to hen just come home for work. Hamster chew forth and left stick in the wrestling din even took they entirely did the league each other. Judy and Nick eventually became solid fighters and succeeded in solving the case of the disappearance of 14 males.
Interpretatif kekurangan. Zootopia has many plot holes, even though that's not great, because they only need the trap cameras to see for themselves the attack they just experienced. No one else believes it, so only they know that there's something to see on those cameras. In the case it's not disabled, but what it lacks is any change that advance the story, and that is the only flaw that the film never or will ever be able to carve. Interpretatif kelebihan. The advantage of this film is that it features good old-fashioned cases to solve and mystery criminals who are always fun and interesting to uncover. Kesimpulan, in the town of Bunny Burrow, a 9-year-old bunny named Judy Hoops performs in her school play. The drama explains that animals that were once primitive and will have now evolved so that predator and prey can coexist in harmony. Through this drama, Judy also confirms her dream of becoming a police officer in a metropolitan city called Zootopia.
Evaluation summation, kritik dan saran. Kritik: viewers may find a little slow at the beginning and middle of the film. The messenger of tolerance and on studying is a little too over and heavy-handed to some viewers. This combined with the length of the film may make it a little too much for some people. Suggestion: some people may suggest more character development of the